from stone and steel, dreams shaped by what I thought was real. But changes come to shake the ground, to break the limits I once found. The architect of change, I rise, redesign the truth behind my eyes. Through cracks of time, the light will show a brand new world begins to grow. The plans I made no longer stay. I'll build again in a freer way. Each fall, each shift, a guiding hand to teach me where I choose to stand. The future calls, I'll draw anew, a dream rebuilt.